Ano po exactly yung I IDAP or yung IDP?
IDAP is actually a strategy that was devised during the time of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, whereby it started actually with the three constitutional agencies meeting together plus PAGC. So these three constitutional bodies are the Civil Service Commission, the Office of the Ombudsman, and the Commission on Audit. They had this Solana Covenant. It was a covenant that was held in somewhere in Solana. Solana, I think, is in Batangas. So they had this anti-corruption strategic planning, and the output of that planning was that agreement, whereby these three agencies, will help each other in what moving forward the program of anti-corruption in government service. So actually there were I think 42 other agencies that joined in and the output of that meeting, out of that conference, was the crafting of these 22 doables. There are actually 22 anti-corruption measures, sorted into four main pillars. The first one is prevention. Second is, I think, education. Let me just check. Third is deterrence. And the fourth is strategic partnerships.
So,
there, yeah.
Pwede po pa-elaborate po yung 4 pillars po?
Yeah, actually, yung 22 doables, they were distributed into these 4 pillars. The first one, on prevention, they actually tackled on the strengthening of internal audit or internal control. So there's the second one is the conduct of integrity development review. So basically, this is a third party assessment of your corruption vulnerabilities and your anti-corruption past policies and programs.